Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Pintu channel. Typing print statement to debug your Python code can get really repetitive and slow you down. But what if I told you that you could add them instantly with just a shortcut? In this video, I will show you a must-have VS Code extension which will save your time and effort while debugging your Python code. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, this trick will help your productivity in no time. So let's dive in. So here we are on a VS Code and we will go to extension menu. Now on extension you have to type Python easy print. So the extension name is Python easy print. Once you type it, you will see this one. It has 5828 downloads. You can just install it, let it install. So it is installed. Now this is sample code that I have written to show you. What this extension does is simply when we write print statement, we have to manually write print and then a variable name, some name and then variable name. To explain you that, usually we do like this, price, okay? And when we run it, it prints. But what if you have to type many prints in one file or multiple files? Then it can take you a lot of time, right? So since you have installed this extension, so what this extension does is it prints for you with the name, variable name as a message name and value as well. So for that the command is press Ctrl Shift L, then release all three keys and then press P. So let me show you the practically. So I have selected the price variable. First you have to select it, then you should press Ctrl Shift L, release everything and then press P. See, it has printed price. So what it does, it takes the variable name as this message and this as a value. Same goes for brand. What if I have to print brand? Then Ctrl Shift L, release and P. Oh, sorry. So you have to press P faster. See, it works. So for me, it is printing directly like print, brand and brand value, price and price value. Because previously I have installed it, so that's why it is giving me simple. But for you, if you are installing for the first time, it might not giving you like this. So what we can do, we can just go to the extension tab, search Python easy print. Either you can go settings from here. Right now I'm not able to see it. So you can just click on this setting, go to the settings. So if you go to the settings, you see it is going to settings of Python easy print extension. Go here. So by default, you might get this by default. So now if you try to print, see what will happen. Ctrl Shift L, release and P. It prints file name, line number and variable name. And then it's print its value. So by default, this is how it's going to look in your VS Code if you have used it first time. So what you can do, you can go to the settings. Again, you can go it from here. Go to the settings and just Ctrl A and remove everything. You don't need to save it, you just remove it and it will take an effect. And then again, now if you go and let's say print phone brand. Ctrl Shift L, release and P, prints phone brand. Well, this is how you can use this extension and improve your productivity. So once I have started using it, I have never looked back. So believe me, once you start using it, you will love it. So share it with your friends and let me know in the comment section how would you like it. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see from me, and I will try to make videos on that. Thank you very much. Till then, bye bye.